Hi everybody, it's Minnie from Chi Kitchen. I'm really excited today to show you how to make one of my favorite drinks. It's called a Michelada. The first time I ever had it was in Mexico. It's basically a beer cocktail with some spices and some ice and lime juice. We're gonna do ours with some kimchi pickle juice, and we're gonna garnish it with a kimchi pickle. And then we also are going to use this awesome local beer from Proclamation Ale. It's a corn lager called the Proc Circle. So first, we'll just start with the actual lime juice. So we're going to squeeze some fresh limes. I have about 2 limes here. I'm going to add some of the kimchi juice. That's what's so great about these kimchi pickles. They have all this nice juices that you can use in cocktails. A little bit of kimchi juice, and then I'm going to add some of the corn lager. You can use this, or you can use any kind of lighter lager style beer. Oh, it's nice. Okay, so we're going to pour some in here. And typically, if you go and order a Michelada, they give you the cocktail and then give you the leftover beer, and you can add more beer to your cocktail as you go along. So I have a glass. We're going to actually line the rim with this Korean red pepper and kosher salt. You can make these by the pitcher too if you're having people over, or just make them individually. Okay, throw some ice in here. Okay. Oh, I also forgot, you can add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce or soy sauce if you want. So a little drop. And I'm just gonna mix everything together. Pour that over the, and if you want, you can just like top it off with a little bit more beer. And then we'll garnish with a kimchi pickle. Here you go. And also maybe another lime. There you go. This is a kimchi pickle juice Michelada. Cheers. So nice. It's spicy, refreshing.